Hi guys! Today we will learn how to fix the mic not working issue on Discord Mobile. First of all, open the Discord app on your phone. Once it opens, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon, which takes you directly to your user settings. This is where you can manage all your app preferences, including audio settings. After opening your profile, look at the top right corner for the settings option and tap on it. This will open the full settings menu where you can make changes to your account, privacy, notifications, and most importantly, your voice settings. Now scroll down until you find app settings, and under that, tap on voice. This section controls everything related to audio input and output for Discord, including your microphone settings. In voice settings, make sure to fill the volume sliders completely. Adjust the input mic and output sound volumes to the maximum to ensure your mic works properly. This usually resolves most issues immediately. If the mic still doesn't work, go to your app store and check for any updates for Discord. Updating the app ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements, which often resolves persistent mic issues. Finally, if the issue still persists, try restarting your phone. This can refresh all app and system processes, and in most cases, your mic should work perfectly after the restart. So, that's how you can fix the mic not working issue on Discord Mobile quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.